welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we're going to talk about order of operations with decimals. So we've got one problem and it looks like a scary beast, but I promise it's not. We're going to break it down step by step. So it's really just one problem that has like lots of little problems inside of it. I promise you can do this. So first, let's come over here where we've got a little extra space and write down our order of operations. We're going to do parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. This is the same for every order of operations problem. It doesn't matter if it's decimals or not, if it's just integers, fractions, which we'll get to eventually. Doesn't matter. We always do parentheses, exponents. Now multiply, divide, and add and subtract. This is where people get confused. Remember, it's the order that we see it from left to right. Okay. First, parentheses. We're going to go inside this set of parentheses. I like to do add the opposite. And that's going to give me, where can I do my scratch mark? Let's maybe do it over here. 2.5 plus 1.5. Don't be afraid to come somewhere and rewrite it if you need to. 0, carry my 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just going to give me 4, but I know it's a negative 4. And then I'm bringing everything else down. Now, why did I know that was a negative 4? The two negatives right here, when I add, we keep the sign. And then we bring everything else down. Make sure you copy it correctly. That's a big problem I've noticed. You do all the math right, but for example, when you copy this 6.2, you just copy the 6. So did you do anything wrong? No, but it's going to mess up your work. So be super careful. And I'm going to change colors for the next step. All right. Parentheses, then exponents. We don't have any exponents. We're going to skip that. Now we multiply or divide whichever comes first. So we're going to multiply first. Negative 4 times 3 is going to be a negative number. When we multiply a positive and a negative, we get a negative. If the signs are different, always a negative. Bring the rest down. And then I'm going to change colors again. I like having the different colors so I can see every step separately. Okay, are we done multiplying and dividing? We are not. Now we divide. Negative 12 minus 4.2 minus, when I divide a positive and a negative, I know I'm getting a negative, 6.2 divided by negative 2. Okay, I'm going to erase this so that I have a spot to do some work. 6.2 divided by 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. Bring down my 2. Oh, don't forget to bring my decimal up. 2 goes into 2 one time. And I'm done. So that's going to be minus, or you could also write it as plus a negative. Same thing. 3.1. All right. Multiplying and dividing is done. Now we add and subtract. All of these are add and subtract. I'm going to rewrite all of them as plus a negative, though. I just like the way that looks a little bit better when I'm doing this. So you can add them all at once if you really want to. I'm going to just do this piece, and then I will deal with the 3.1. So negative 12 plus negative 4. Okay, I know that's going to be a negative. So let's see if I can make it fit over here. 12.0 plus 4.2. is going to give me 16.2, but it's a negative. And then bring down the negative 3.1. Okay, so now my last step is I've got 16.2 and I've got to add 3.1. Make sure you line up all your decimals. Negative 19.3. And I knew it was a negative. When I'm adding and the signs are the same, I keep the sign. And look, I do math all day, every day, right? I showed my extra little work. Do not be scared to have an extra sheet of paper or like a little corner of your paper where you do all your calculations. It'll help you get the question right. It'll help your teacher see what you're doing. And if something does go wrong, they can see why. If you show your steps, we can help you find the problem if there is one. And you're less likely to make a problem. I promise. I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers ready to meet with you online no matter where you live. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content. Have a great day.